Okay. Well, thank you very much for the invitation. Please allow me first to introduce Novacep, Novacep Company, which is a French-based company. We're located in the center of France. It's a nice city called Lyon. And Novacep is recognized as a top-tier service provider for what we call the life science industry. What we're proposing is services, like I just said, two types of services. What we call CMO, contract manufacturing operation, which means that we have production facilities and we produce for the behalf of our customers, and especially in certain markets such as pharmaceutical markets or agrochemical markets, that kind of markets. And the other type of service that we are proposing also is the process engineering and delivering key equipments, which are proprietary equipment from Novacep. We are addressing 7 different markets, which are pharmaceuticals, fine chemicals, cosmetics, agrochemicals, and what we call biopharma, and 3 different other markets, which are what we call food ingredients, functional ingredients, and also fermentation chemical commodities. I represent what we call the industrial biotech division, which is addressing the last 3 markets, so food, functional, and fermentation. What we're proposing is one kind of service, which is the process engineering and key equipment. And the reason why Novacep is today very pleased to be with you for the Forum Grentech is because we are very much involved in the sugar industry and the starch industry as well. So we are being recognized as a leader for beet production sugar, and also the starch derivatives such as glucose, such as fructose, such as sorbitol, and other types of starch derivatives. I said we're recognized as a leader because we have, in the starch industry, for instance, if I have to take some figures, more than 100 different reference over the world in that market. And if I take the example of the beet sugar production, our technologies today are producing more than 250,000 tons per day thanks to our softening systems. So we are relying on more than 40 years of experience in these markets, and this is the reason why we like to be with you guys at the Forum Grentech, because we are making a lot of networking. We are listening to very interesting conference. We are building strong relationships with complementary suppliers, but also the end users and the investors. And we are very keen in being participating on future projects, and we think that the Russian market will take off very soon. So thank you very much, and hope to see you soon. Thank you.